In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to undo a delete you make or you regret on Outlook application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, if you have the Outlook application on your desktop PC, all you need to do, just go and open it up. Of course, if you don't have it, all you need to do, just go and open any browser could be possibly working on your PC or your desktop. Just go and open it and go to the URL section and type download Outlook. Then hit the first link and start downloading it. Of course, it will be like any other download. You must have been already like downloaded something in your PC before, so I don't think it will be simple. It will be pretty simple. So all you need to do, just go and follow the instructions of downloading like any other application, and once it's downloaded, just go and install it and open it. Once it's open, they will ask you to log in into your account, and of course if you don't have an account, you will need to go and create one on their website. Once you did that, just go back and log in into your account, and you will find yourself here with this home page or with this main screen, or maybe even you will find yourself here. So of course, as I said in the beginning of the video, you would like to undo a delete you made on your account. So of course, let's as an example, I'm just going here to my inbox. Let's just back to home. And I don't know, let's say as an example, I want to delete this one. So simply, I have two options. I can just go and click on this icon, or I can just right click on it, and of course I will have the delete option. Choose whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to click like here, and as you can see, it's deleted. How can I undo that? Simply, if I want to undo that, just go now to the deleted items here at the left options. Once you click on it, you'll find any email that you deleted here. So of course, if you want to delete that, simply you can just go, if you right click on it again, you'll not find the option of delete or undo. If you click on delete, it will be permanently deleted from your account. So make sure not to click on that if you want to, if you want to undo the delete. Of course, if you want to undo the delete, let's say as an example, you deleted it from inbox, simply you will need to drag it into inbox again. And as you can see, it's not on the deleted item anymore. You'll find it on your inbox where it was. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.